Okay, we're going to try to start the truck this morning. According to the iPad, it's about 45 outside right now. I got the running lights on just so you can see the gauges. Here we go. Wait to start light's going out.
Addictions and other disorders that can...
Radio's up a little loud. Wait to start light goes out pretty quick. Turn it back off. Again, wait to start light staying on for maybe a couple seconds. And there she finally goes. Kind of weird that it seems like it finally starts cranking okay after a third try there.